Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Big news for drone fans. The DJI Mini 5 Pro might not be landing when we expected, but the leaks are hinting at something far more powerful than anyone imagined. From a game-changing 1-inch 6K camera to insane, new flight features. This could be the most advanced ultralight drone DJI has ever built. But there's a twist. New rumors suggest we might have to wait longer than planned. And the reason behind it could make or break DJI's dominance. So today we're diving deep into every leak, every spec, every rumor, and exactly what this delay could mean for you. Trust me, you'll want to hear this. Leaks talks about 1-inch CMOS sensor, 6K recording, redesigned obstacle avoidance, ActiveTrack 6.0, and waypoint missions in normal mode, value for enthusiasts. Gives them something new that's better than the Mini 4 Pro. Technical wow factor. 6K video plus 1-inch sensor, massive upgrade for drone photographers. Safety appeal, enhanced obstacle avoidance. Makes it useful for beginners and pros. Feature hype ActiveTrack 6.0 and waypoint missions. Target filmmakers and adventure vloggers, specs lists, camera specs, flight time, range, weight, smart features. Storage. Clarity and authority. Organizing leaks into a spec sheet makes video feel more official and credible. Comparison advantage specs highlight how the Mini 5 Pro could outperform rivals in the previous Mini 4 Pro. Legal angle mentioning. Under 249 grams reminds viewers of no registration perks in many countries. Rumors and delay. Suspense viewers already invested in the hype now want to know why it's delayed. Authority by sources. Phrases like multiple sources suggest build credibility without revealing confidential info. Unique selling point. Low light aerial photography. As a reason for delay keeps hype alive, turns bad news into a reason to wait. Seasonal relevance mentioning. Holiday shopping season makes it relatable for buyers planning ahead. Price $899 for base. $1,099 for Fly More combo. Sets expectations, prevents sticker shock later. Comparison anchor by comparing to Mini for Pro pricing. It frames the higher cost as justified for better features. Purchase planning. Many viewers watch drone leaks for budgeting before release. So here's the big question. If DJI really pushes the Mini 5 Pro to late 2025, will you wait it out for the biggest leap we've ever seen in the Mini series? Or will you make the switch to a rival drone like the Autel Evo Nano 2? Either way, the competition just got interesting. The next few months are going to be full of surprises. I'll be tracking every leak, every photo, and every little update until this drone finally takes to the skies. So if you don't want to miss a thing, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and join our growing community of drone fans who live for this kind of news. The DJI Mini 5 Pro might be taking its time, but when it arrives, it could be the drone that changes everything. Until then, fly safe, capture something amazing, and I'll see you in the next video.